How to create PHP file. I am using Visual Studio Code as IDE for coding. You can install Visual Studio Code from its official website. I will add link for downloading in description. First open Visual Studio Code IDE, click on File tab, then click on Save As and select the folder where I want to save the file. I save this file into XAMPP as tdocs folder. Create new folder with the name of php_tutorial and save this file into the folder with .php extension. This file name is php_basics.php. Now we have created first PHP file. Syntax of PHP. These tags are used in PHP. I recommend it that every time full form PHP tag should used. First I use short form PHP tag. In this tag less than and question mark is used as opening tag and question mark with greater than sign used as closing tag. It may be enable disable from configuration file. It can create problem when XML tag is used. Therefore, I recommend full form PHP tags. If we use these tags, they are equal to echo with full form PHP tags. It will give error because here 2 echo is using. Recommended tags are full form PHP tags. If I use hello world without echo, then no output will show. Now I use echo, then hello world will print. As in C or Perl, PHP requires instructions to be terminated with a semicolon at the end of each statement. The closing tag of a block of PHP code automatically implies a semicolon. You do not need to have a semicolon terminating the last line of a PHP block. The closing tag for the block will include the immediately trailing new line if one is present. Here I am not using the semicolon because closing tag is coming in end of the line, and I have told that in end of line where closing tag is coming, there no need of semicolon. In this line I will not use the closing tag because it is the last line of the program, and in the last line of the PHP do not require to closing tag. But I recommend it that you always use closing tag in the end of the program. A comment is text in a program's code, script or another file that is not meant to be seen by the user running the program. However, is seen when viewing the source code. Comments help make code easier to understand by explaining what is happening and help prevent portions of a program from executing. There are three types of comments which are used in PHP. Double slash. It is one line C++ style comment. Slash asterisk and slash asterisk. It is multi-line comment. Hash. It is one line hash style comment. Here you can see that interpreter will not give the output of the comments, and these comments only we will use for understanding our code. How to run PHP in terminal. I go to folder where I created the file. In address bar, I click and type the CMD, then press the enter. Command prompt will open and show the designation of this folder. Now I run existing file in terminal. For running PHP file, first I type PHP, then file name with PHP extension, then press the enter. You can check it that output is showing in terminal. In this video, I discuss very initial steps of PHP. All beginners try to run code after watching the video. If you face any problem, then watch and try to code again.